Good morning. Welcome to week 8 here. Instructions and checklist. Nothing's going to change as far as attendance wise. This week we'll have 2 meetings similar to we did last week, face to face. So we'll meet on Wednesday at our time 8:20 to 9. So Wednesday, May 20th, and then again on Friday, May 22nd. So plan for those 2 days for live check-in. Wednesday we'll spend really kind of going over chapter 9 quite a bit. You're going to have on Thursday, quiz number 4. So this is over chapters 8. So this one's going to be over perfect competition and monopoly. So we'll spend time kind of reviewing that, discussing chapter 8, chapter 9, what you're going to need to know to get ready for that quiz. It'll be a little bit shorter than the last one, probably about 20. Maybe it'll be about the same. 20, 25 multiple choice, 1 or 2 that you're going to have to do on your own. So we'll look at chapter 8 and 9. Chapter 10 we will not have as a quiz. It'll just be part of the final that we'll take the following, what day are we taking that? Following Wednesday. So Friday, then we'll kind of talk, we'll wrap up the class, we'll look at your course grade, and we'll talk what we'll do Tuesday. We'll meet the following Tuesday again. We'll do a review. We'll take our final exam on Wednesday, and you guys will be done. So watch the content videos that I post. I'll get going on those here today and this morning. And today you can start with reading your chapter 9 on monopoly, and chapter 10 on monopolistic competition. Last week when we looked at perfect competition, we looked at a market structure with many firms where no firm had any price control. They were price takers. Well, now a monopoly is the exact opposite when we're dealing with one firm. So we're going to look at a different way a market is structured. Chapter 9 assignment, 1 on monopoly. Like to see that probably due by Wednesday. That'll give you time to kind of make sure that you understand what we need to for the quiz Thursday, and then assignment 2 will be due on Friday. So 2 assignments this week, chapter 9, chapter 10 assignment. These will be your college grade assignments. So your 10-point assignments for your chapters, and we'll take quiz 4. This is quiz 4 on your syllabus on Thursday. So another fast, furious week, but this is it. So we'll push hard to the finish line.